Good afternoon. My name is Muafak Yahayadalu, and this is the News Chronicles. So today I'm going to be talking about a youth sensitive topic, especially our undergraduates. And the topic we'll be talking about is the sign out. So recently there have been a wave of ban on signing out. Especially, and what is this signing out precisely? It is when students, undergraduate students, on the day of their final exams, use pen, putting on white shirts, use pen to write or sign or slogans on their shirts, signifying their final paper, signifying their final exams out of the university. So recently, starting from Sokoto State, that banned all sign-out celebrations from secondary schools and universities, because this trend happened not to just stop in the university system; it has pushed into secondary schools also. So there are reasons being vandalism and public disturbance, amongst other issues. Vices the reason the state government used to justify this ban. Immediately afterwards, Governor Umar Bago of Niger State also banned the signing out party, also citing misconduct, moral decay, and students' behavior. We've also seen schools like Bauchi State University, BASU, Kwara State Polytechnic, Ladoke Akintola, Usman Danfodio Universities, University of Ilorin, Umar Musa Adwa, and Nasarawa State University, all banning the signing out party. Now, if you look at all the reasons cited for the banning of the signing out, it's from students' misconduct, lack of discipline, vandalization of properties, and public disturbance. This comes up as most of the reasons that is being cited for the ban on this activity. Generally, these activities like this are meant to bring students together, for them to be able to relate with one another. It's a moment of merry, it's a moment of celebration. But when it begins to get out of hand, that vices begin to enter, like vandalization of public property and private properties, amongst other issues, it becomes a nuisance to the public, and thereby the management of the institutions and also the government must come in and put a control to it. So personally, yes, I feel this is a way to go,